everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
In this video of the training series, we will introduce formations. What are formations, friends? Here we will show you many formations such as ascending triangle, descending triangle, rising flag, falling flag, head and shoulders, double tops, double bottoms, cup and handle, triangles, flags, and similar formations. As you can see here, let me show you. Right from this point. Here you can see a triangle, for example. What do these triangles mean? And what directions do they indicate for us? We will discuss these. Look, as you can see, the targets are here. If it breaks above the triangle, the target is this way. If it breaks below, the target is this way. We will show these. As you can see, these are rising flags and falling flags. Here is the rising flag in a bull market, and similarly the falling flag in this way. It's a rise as significant as before, directly. Or head and shoulders or inverted head and shoulders formations. There are double tops, double bottoms, or cup and handle. Or here we have ascending triangle, descending triangle, and symmetrical triangles. As you can see here, we will be discussing many formations with you. See you in the next video, friends. Let's dive into the formations. I hope I was able to explain it well. See you soon.